Why am I not receiving my SMS call from Xhorse app? We got this question a lot. If you're experiencing the same issue, please check this video out. Failure to get login code is due to different network requirements in various countries and areas, and the temporary code sent by our server is blocked occasionally. And how to solve the problem? What you need to do is contact Xhorse technical support team. You can reach us on Skype or via email or WeChat with your question.
And you can also contact your area dealer for the code.
And you need to include your phone number with your country code and make sure you had pressed send. Our support team will send it off to you once they receive your message. And then you're good to go. Let us know if you have any other questions. I'll see you the next time. Bye!